Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bit different because as you can tell it from the description that it is a haul video. I just went shopping and I want to share it with you guys what all I got. So let's get into the video. So the first thing that I got is this sugar palette which is in the shade 09 Diamonds and it has 4 eyeshadows. Why I chose this palette? Because it is amazing if you want to create smoky eyes, and especially you can see the blue shade, it helps you a lot. So I am going to swatch some of its shades and let you know how pigmented they are. See. This is the blue shade which I am going to swatch. And you can actually see how pigmented this color is. Also, it has these two shimmer shades and it comes with an applicator. I'm going to swatch one of these shades. You can see how pigmented these colors are and how attractive they look. So the next thing that I got were these wipes. This is how they look. So the next thing that I got were these two sugar lipsticks. This one is Nothing Else Matter lipstick which is in the shade 22 Bear Hug, and the other one is the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick which is in the shade 49 Nude Mood. I am going to swatch these two for you guys. So first that I'm going to swatch is the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick which is in the shade 49 Nude Mood. This is a brown shade. I haven't used this shade before, but you can see how glossy it is and how attractive it looks, and at the same time it gives you the matte effect as well. The next I'm going to swatch is the 22 Bear Hug. This is a nude shade. This is somewhat pinkish nude shade, and truly I'm in love with this shade because this is the best ever nude shade I have found for myself. So the next thing that I got is this Color Bar Concealer which has triple effect and it is in the shade 002 Beige. Now why this triple effect that I'm going to share with you, you don't really need any compact or foundation. You can directly apply your base and apply it over your base and it gives you the full coverage. This is how it looks and it comes with this applicator. And it is perfect if you want to do your makeup quickly and you don't have time to apply your foundation or your compact. You can directly apply this and you can look perfect. Then next, again the product is from Sugar Cosmetics. This is a blush which is in the shade 02 Pink Pinnacle. Then this is how it looks. And this is the shade I swatched for you. I tried to wipe it off but it didn't come out, which is perfect, and it shows you how long lasting it is and it doesn't have the effect of water directly on it. And next I bought this handmade crisscross curly false lashes. It has got 10 pairs and it is from Miniso and I truly love them. I'm not a fan of fake eyelashes. I generally don't prefer using them, but occasionally I do apply them and I really love this packet. Next I bought this, which is, I don't know what's the name of the product, but this is used to hold your lashes when you're applying them. Next again the product is from Sugar Cosmetics and this is the highlighter which is in the shade 02 Gold Glory, and this shade of highlighter is perfect if you are wearing any ethnic attire because you can see how golden it is and it looks so good over ethnic attires. Next I got this brow pencil from Sugar Cosmetics which is Arc Archival Brow Definer and it is in the shade 0 Felix Onyx. This is not exactly brown and not exactly black. It is blackish brown shade which is perfect for my brows, and I'm going to show you. This is how it looks. Also it comes with this spoolie brush, so which is very handy. Then the last two products which I bought were, one is this False Lashes Glue and other one is this which is Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse foundation. I don't generally use a foundation, but sometimes I mix a bit of it with my BB cream and it works perfect for me if I want to hide any of my acne marks. So guys, the last thing that I got is this Lakme Absolute Shine Line eyeliner, which is in the shade Shimmery Bronze. This is how it looks like. This is how the color is. This is a very pretty color if you are wearing anything black or golden or red or anything that is dark. If you are wearing beige as well, then you can use this color on your eyes and it will look very amazing. So guys, this is all what I shopped and I shared with you guys. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And in the next video, I'm going to share with you guys how I created this eye look. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.